very windy today. It's Saturday, but it's sunny and dry, so I'll take that, but very windy. Today I'm going for a walk, and I'm going for a walk up that mountain there. Well, I say mountain, it's probably a cross between a mountain and a hill. They probably call it a mountain around here, but that's where I'm going. Hope you can hear me. More later. Well, I made it to the top. This is the top. I've just managed to get some bit of shelter behind these buildings, because there's the old antenna there. Oh, where is it? There. So I expect the 4G signal's very good up here. So a bit of shelter, but the views all around are pretty magnificent. You can see Cardigan Bay and the Irish Sea. Oh yeah, it's incredibly windy though. No drone flying today. It's so windy. There's no way you're going to be able to hear me. Top! Very windy! I might have mentioned that already. Leeward side of this the trig point, the little hillock that the trig point's on. Yeah, it's just mental windy up there on the top, but there's a tiniest bit of shelter here. So ah gosh, it's actually quite sunny on and off, but the wind is a bit mental. So yeah, whoo-wee. I have to start thinking about heading back down now.